Hi, everybody. My name's Austin. I'm 24 years old, and this is my last semester at Chandler Gilbert Community College. I'm going for my Associates in Arts, and I plan to go to ASU, Go Devils, after this semester and get my Master's in History and get a teaching certificate and hopefully teach high school history. Something that I really enjoy is cooking. And a fun, interesting fact about myself is I'm also a dungeon master for a game called Dungeons and Dragons. I've been doing that for about 4, almost 5 years now, and it's something that I really enjoy doing with my friends. The reason I chose geology is it also lets me get the last two things I need for my major, but also growing up in here, Arizona, I went hiking a lot with my family. We've been to Havasupai many times, and it's something that I really enjoy, and I really like kind of the architecture of some of the stoneworks that work here. I also really enjoy natural disasters. It's something that I think is really cool that the way the kind of Earth uh, creates these monstrosities that can create such devastations. Um, I also collected rocks as a kid, so I like stone. So an interesting thing that I liked about Dr. Michelle was that she's been to Havasupai. Not many people know about it in Arizona, let alone know about it at all. So it's something that I really enjoyed to go take that grueling 11-mile hike down into the canyon and get to enjoy with my family and friends.